Tenses made easy. English to Urdu. Past perfect continuous tense. Affirmative sentences.
सादा जुमले।
He had been writing a letter for 2 hours.
वो 2 घंटे से खत लिख रहा था।
I had been going to school since morning.
मैं सुबह से स्कूल जा रहा था।
We had been playing cricket since afternoon.
हम दोपहर से क्रिकेट खेल रहे थे।
Interrogative sentences.
सवालिया जुमले।
Had he been writing a letter for 2 hours?
क्या वो 2 घंटे से खत लिख रहा था?
Had I been going to school since morning?
क्या मैं सुबह से स्कूल जा रहा था?
Had we been playing cricket since afternoon?
क्या हम दोपहर से क्रिकेट खेल रहे थे?
Negative sentences.
मनफी जुमले।
He had not been writing a letter for 2 hours.
वो 2 घंटे से खत नहीं लिख रहा था।
I had not been going to school since morning.
मैं सुबह से स्कूल नहीं जा रहा था।
We had not been playing cricket since afternoon.
हम दोपहर से क्रिकेट नहीं खेल रहे थे।